15610 Eleanore, Cleveland, Kim's Corner area. Awesome property. This property has a 2-car garage, big driveway. Let's go inside. Vinyl siding. It has almost all the windows are vinyl except for the front. All brand new LTV luxury plank flooring throughout the home. Plugs, switches, lights, blinds, paint, all been redone. What this property has is an extra back here for a family room, so it has a living room, dining room, or a family room, whatever you want to do back here. But again, it's nice, light, bright, awesome open floor plan. And again, all these are vinyl windows. There was a back door there. And then your laundry room is right here on the first floor. So you have that here. So this also has all the new flooring and all that. Your washer dryer hookup. Everything's right here for that. Kitchen area. Here. And your stove, all that goes here. Fridge. And let's go into you got 2 bedrooms and 1 bath on the main floor. It's a 4-bedroom, 1-bath unit. Again, all the same stuff. Plugs, switches, lights, blinds. Brand new flooring, new paint, everything. It's just a brand new house. Upstairs is loaded too with really big area there that you can do with what you want. You can use it as 2 bedrooms or 1 big master with office. Or let's go upstairs here. Again, you got the new flooring. And here's one of the bedrooms here. Again, new flooring, paint, lights, plugs, switches, blinds. Everything's new, so you're coming into a brand new house basically. You got a nice big hallway here, lots of storage, and another bedroom in here. The same plugs, switches, lights, flooring, paint, blinds. So this is your virtual tour of 15610 Eleanore. It can be a 4-bedroom, 1-bath, or it can be, you know, anything else you want upstairs. It can be a full master. So anyway, this is a great home. It's for sale. Just updated. Kim's Corner area. Please show. Thanks.